Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. Started, you'll want to hold your power button and ignore little assistant pop-up, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now there's one thing that we're gonna do. So when you begin holding those two buttons and you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, let go of the power button and press it 5 times, and at the 5th time you're just gonna continue holding it. So I'm gonna do that right now. So holding, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see this takes us to the recovery mode. And here all you need to do is just tap on the options that you want to interact with. And going over the options that we actually have, we have restart, which just brings us back to the operating system. Clear data, which consists of 2 options, factory reset and wipe cache partition. Then we have update mode and safe mode. So anyway, I'm gonna select the first one, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to the normal OS. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.